First, open the Amazon App Store on your Firestick and search for the Downloader app. Once it pops up, click it and install. After that, go to Settings, then to My Fire TV, then About. Click your Firestick's name multiple times until you see a message saying you're now a developer. This will unlock developer options in the menu. Now go back, open Developer Options, turn on ADB debugging, and also enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. This allows you to install apps that aren't from the Amazon App Store. Now, hold down the Home button again, go to Apps, and open the Downloader app. Next, launch Downloader and type in the code 59745. Press Go, and it will begin downloading the Cinema HD app. When the download finishes, click Install. After installation, choose Done instead of Open so you can delete the installation file. That way, you'll save some space on your Firestick, which is always limited. Now go back to your app list, move Cinema HD to the front so it's easier to access, and you're all set to stream a huge library of movies and shows completely free. Before you jump in, there's something I personally always do and highly recommend. Use a VPN like NordVPN with your Firestick. It keeps your connection encrypted and private, which is important when using third-party streaming apps. It can also help solve annoying buffering or region-blocked content issues. NordVPN works really well on Firestick. It's fast, easy to use, and affordable. If you don't have it yet, use the link in the description to try it at a great price.